Alright y'all, so we got something pretty cool coming in. Check this out.
Hopefully mackerel.
Alright y'all, just finished up a workout. Have not been able to open up that package yet. I'm about to jump on a podcast right now. So as soon as that is over and my client calls are over, I'll open that up and we'll see what we got. Crystal is heading into town and she'll take the camera with her.
You guys are gonna go with me.
Isn't that right, baby?
That's right.
Anything for the vlog.
Alright guys, so I just went to Whole Foods and I forgot to bring you guys with me. I was on the phone with my aunt, who I am visiting next week, so I was trying to catch up with her and get a little bit of information about my stay, but just left Whole Foods. I'm gonna have a piece of the brick. I'm gonna have about 50 grams of it. It'll be my little snack. This is my first meal of the day and it's 1:07, so first little tiny meal and a coffee, and then yeah, I guess we'll go home, probably cook something for Robert and myself. Okay guys, this is the most boring trip of all time. I'm gonna have to make this up sometime. But I just am leaving the warehouse. I just picked up some of the ingredients and they were kind of all in a hustle and bustle at this warehouse, so I didn't really want to like film hold anybody up from what they're doing, so I kind of just had them loaded up and I'm gonna go have the employees unload it, see what they're up to. Alright, just got back to the warehouse and I'm gonna go in and check on what the employees are doing. Wow, they're jamming out in here. What did you say?
We're having a good time.
Oh yeah.
Having a good time, beard net and all.
We're talking about the 5K we're fixing in March.
Oh yeah, I'm not running the 5K.
Yeah, he is. Don't let mine see.
These cinnamon bricks, look how good these look.
Mmm.
Delicious.
Alright y'all, I don't know what Crystal got footage wise, but I've got the camera again. I'm about to dig into my steak. This is what we're working with here. So, boom chakalaka. So, good old steak. Can't go wrong there. Alright y'all, so I just got back from running some errands. Went to Home Depot. We're gonna open up that package now. It's a crazy mess in here because we're rearranging everything. CJ and I got boards. We're gonna cut these to length and we're gonna prep the sides of this wall because tomorrow I'm picking up all the black siding for this wall, so this is gonna be all blacked out.
Yep.
And Dylan is about to put together this beast because he's about to use it. So let's see what's in there. Alright y'all, there's a hint as to what it might be. He needs a manual though to put it together.
I didn't know it was gonna be this many parts.
Alright y'all, so we got more plates. We got 4 more 45s. We got 2 metal 25s, 2 10s, 2 5s, and 2 2.5s with the rings and a new bar. And then check that out. We got the new bench. It can incline. It's got this decline attachment. This comes out, but when the bench is in an incline, you put this in and it becomes a decline. So let me demonstrate here. Hold that for me. All right. So much better than what we had going on before. Go all the way down. Before we had the flat bench and we were like rigging it up to the safety bars on the squat rack, and it was just like not good, not safe, not good. This is a solid bench right here, so super excited to have this in the gym. Dylan's now going to work out and break it in for us. Isn't that right, Dylan?
Yeah.
What you working today?
I'm doing chest and shoulders.
Chest and shoulders.
Yeah.
All right, man, that's perfect. You can break out in the new bench then.
I don't know if I'm gonna decline that much.
Yeah. Y'all think my gym footage is epic? No, this is epic. Get it, man, get it. 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. Come on. Yep. Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You're getting it. No,
Got me at the end of it.
Come on, 3 more. Let's roll. That was 18. So you do 18. I don't know if I can do 18.
Yeah, buddy. Look at that shirt, though. What's up, everybody? We just got new chairs for the office, so I'm testing out their rollability. Rolling pretty good so far. But we're trying to make this conference room right here. So we got some conference chairs. Got 2 of those. Got the table, obviously. These are all whiteboards. So I'm gonna have 3 whiteboards on that wall, and then 1 on either side of the plaque here. So super excited about that. And then Crystal, I believe, is making dinner right now. Crystal,
Yes.
what's going on up in here?
Well, this is Jack's meat. So Jack's gonna have some
Jack's meat?
meat.
What are Jack's macros like?
As much meat as he wants to eat. Just kidding.
He ought to do 2 pounds in a break.
Yeah, he ought to.
You're having just ground beef?
In ground beef, I'm gonna put cream cheese and salsa in there.
Nice. What am I having?
You're having a pound of ground beef shaped in burger patties.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ooh, buddy, look at that. We got all kinds of ground beef. Let me put that ketchup on there. And that pretty much wraps up today's macros for me. Today's been a good day, productive day. We got some headway made with the gym, got that bench, the weights. Super excited about that. We got the boards that are gonna be what support the rest of the metal siding up. So hopefully we'll be able to get that metal siding in tomorrow and get it up and installed tomorrow if all goes well. And we'll be going into the weekend with a lot of headway made during the week. So super excited about that. You got any news, Crystal? Anything exciting in your life? No?
Just hungry.
Just hungry? One more quick little announcement. We're trying to stay ahead of the game and in stock with the Mocha Keto Bricks. So I'm trying something new. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this instated or not, but we're trying out a new software that allows for subscriptions, and I wanna see if that works. I'm kind of like tempting not to say this on camera because I don't know if I want to use it yet, because I don't know if it works on me yet. So I'm running a test run right now, and hopefully it will work. If you see this video, it will have worked. So yeah, you can rest assured it will have worked. But basically, I'm running a subscription thing on the 1 month supply of the Mocha Keto Bricks right now. That's what we'll start off using, and then as we're able to, get more in stock and hold more in stock, we'll be able to roll it out to the other products. But right now, the subscription is for the 1 month Mocha Keto Bricks, and it takes 10% off, which winds up being like 160 bucks. What is 160 divided by 30? I'm gonna tell you what the cost per brick winds up being. Crystal's doing some math real quick here. 5.33333333. So basically, you get a brick at $5.30 a brick. $5.33 a brick. If you get the month supply of Mocha with the subscription at the 10% discount. So that is pretty dang good. That's 1,000 calories at $5.30. So can't beat that. I'm gonna dive into this before it gets cold. So thank you, Crystal, for cooking this up for me. I will see y'all tomorrow.